Now we've looked at how the AirFlex works for shorter hair styling. Now let's look at what you can do with longer hair. Your AirFlex styling tool is the perfect tool for removing tangles from longer hair, an ideal way to crimp and wave the hair. AirFlex's bristles are specially designed to glide through the hair when used in a vertical position, making it the only tool you'll ever want to use to safely remove tangles and prepare hair for styling. For crimping and waving, first completely dry the hair. Squeeze to open and place AirFlex where you want to begin your crimp and wave. Then close. Now apply styling spray and use your dryer to set the wave in place.